Hello, Internet Food here with 10 awe-inspiring facts. So let's get to it. Number 1. If you were to remove all blood vessels from a human body and lay it out in one straight line, then those veins, arteries, capillaries, etc. will be long enough to wrap around the world more than twice. That's about 96,560 kilometers of blood vessels. Number 2. People who have cherophobia are afraid of fun. Number 3. Bob Dylan was born with the name Robert Zimmerman. Number 4. It is illegal to die in the House of Parliament in England. Number 5. The voice actor for Bugs Bunny, a character in the Looney Tunes, was actually allergic to carrots. Number 6. The English-speaking population in China is larger than the English-speaking population in the USA. Number 7. In 2005, Mark Zuckerberg tried to sell Facebook, a multi-billion-dollar company, for only $75 million. Number 8. If you were to make $1 every second, only after about 2,500 years, would you have more money than Bill Gates, the world's richest man. Number 9. Sometime during the 1300s, the unicorn became the national animal of Scotland. And finally, number 10. In 1924, in South Bend, Indiana, a monkey was caught smoking a cigarette and was required by law to pay a $25 fine. Well, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hearing these interesting facts. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more good content. Bye and have a great day.